Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a very rainy Vauxhall Insignia 2017 model. This one is 55,000 on the clock. Now, the owner's used this previously on another Insignia. Got us out today to check this one out and get it cleaned up. It has got warranty with this one, so I wanted to get us to go over it. Pretty much minimal on the code history, just a few old codes, just basically lost communication codes in certain controller modules. That's just down to a battery. That battery's already been replaced. We've cleared those away, nothing's returned, but he's got a record of those if nothing else. All the live data looks spot on this. DPF is at 26% at 255 at the minute, 111 miles since the last regen, averaging about 311 miles between each one according to the stats. EGR movement and flow looks spot on. The injector fielding all looks good as well. Coolant temperature 98 degrees. This seems to be in very good health. Bit of bass noise in this when we got to it. It's what you'd expect for the mileage that's on it. Most people are averaging about 25-ish, 25 to 30 maybe k miles between cleans. This one definitely in the territory for getting done. Lovely and smooth and quiet now. Only a few more minutes to go on this one, get it back out on the road. But yeah, pretty much a clean bill of health, nothing to claim on the warranty. And this one should be good to go for many more months to go.